He wants to do it again on a higher speed. He thinks that's what we need. Ain't that right, boy? Yeah, let's tell him about the fishbowl. Fishbowl. Control my soul, not being myself. I paid a big toll in the fishbowl. They labeled me and called me sin. Never told me my treasure was within the fishbowl. Stagnating shame made me lame, always had to be the same. Someone said my soul was found, stagnant water almost made me drown in the fishbowl. Angels and demons, can you tell the difference between heaven and hell? Probably not. You're blocking the words with your tail. With word games and multiple choice, can you find your true voice in the fishbowl? True freedom speech is really dead. That's why I make strange noise instead. They went sailing along with promises in a song. How could they go wrong in the fishbowl? Pretty ship in a perfect tide, God will guide, but they couldn't see the holes in the side because they covered them up with their pride in the fishbowl. Feelings of bliss made them feel secure, but they never made it to the other shore. Fishbowl. I was getting tired of being their slave, so I jumped out of the bowl. I couldn't behave in the fishbowl. Yeah. Can't keep truth in a box. Take off your lucky socks. Angels and demons, can you tell? Angels and demons, can you tell? Angels and demons, can you tell the difference between heaven and hell in the fishbowl? They labeled me and called me sin, never told me my treasure was within in the fishbowl. Stagnating shame, maybe lame, always had to be the same. Said my soul was found in sound. Stagnant water almost made me drown in the fishbowl. Controlled my soul, not being myself. I paid a big toll. Word games, multiple choice. Can you find your true voice in the fishbowl? True freedom of speech is really dead. That's why I make strange noises instead. They went sailing along with a promise and a song. How could they go wrong? Pretty ship with a perfect tide. God would guide, but they couldn't see the holes in the side because they covered them up with their pride. Feelings of bliss made it feel secure, but they never made it to the other shore. Fishbowl controlled my soul, had to jump out of the bowl. You like that one? That was crazy, folks. That was crazy. Woo! And guess what? I could still breathe when I jumped out of the bowl.